So there's the drone. Some drone action. The eyeball of the sky. Ah, God damn. I almost should have seen that coming.
Dude, I'm sorry.
That kind of hurt. No, it got my pinky just a little bit.
Are you okay? Well, it looks like if it's still on, you're probably. Yeah. I did not mean to do that, dude. I didn't think so.
Brushed it.
I was trying to get it low.
You just brushed it, dude. That's all. It kind of hurt.
Dude, as long as your finger's still in it.
No, it hurts really bad.
Well,
it's broken. I can't. Drone flight. Let's put the hurt hand away so I can't get hurt again. The thing come at me real fast. Just out of the sky. Attack the shit out of me. I didn't think that violent aliens were so violent right off the bat. Thought they were trying to be nice and lure you into their trap.
Watch what happens when I drop the throttle completely. See what it does? Look, it's landing itself.
Oh.
Yeah.
So basically just very slowly dies down. Yeah, it doesn't do that little check to make sure it's going to even out before it's down.
Yeah.
It
Well,
just
actually, kind of, if you watch it, it does subtly do these little maneuvers first. It's weird. If I wasn't already coming down all normal.
what does your trick buttons do?
Oh, really?
I don't know. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah.
I feel bad. I was trying to bug you.
I know. Don't feel bad, dude.
I wanted to be good for the camera, you know what I mean? I wanted to be good shots for the fucking camera.
It probably was up to a single frame. Oh, now what are we doing? Oh no, oh no. It's like tracking me. Oh, because it's dying? Yeah.
Good run.
Yep, good run.